What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a photo in Google Drive. So you want to go ahead and open up google.com and sign into your Google account. Then once you're in Google, go ahead and click the Google apps on the upper right hand side and open up Drive. And once you're inside Drive, I recommend that you click on My Drive on the left hand side and create a folder. To create a folder is super easy. You can click on New on the upper left hand side and just simple choose New Folder, and you can give this folder a name and click on Create. Now I already have a folder called Test Folder and I'm going to do it with this one. So go ahead and open up that folder once it is done created, and from here you can simply go ahead and find the photo on your computer that you want. Now there's two ways how to go about that. By open up your file explorer, find that photo that you want and just simply drag it into that Google Drive space folder here, and it's going to upload it for you. And you'll see right here in the lower right that it's currently uploading it, and right there I have the photo uploaded. Now another way how to do that, again, once you're in the folder, is click New on the upper left, and here you have the option that you can upload a file. So you can upload a file, or if you have a ton of photos in a folder, you can upload the folder as well. But I'm going to choose upload file, select that, go ahead and find this random image. Let's use this thumbnail right here as an image, click on it, click on open, and it's going to load it in as well. And it's super quick. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and save your photos to Google Drive. Very easy and very simple.